Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a self-driving car using OpenCV, a Raspberry Pi and neural networks. Yes, you heard that right. You can turn a small Raspberry Pi into a brain of a tiny car that drives itself. No joystick, no remote, just smart code and a camera guiding it. Here's the idea. The car has a camera mounted in front. This camera captures the road in real time. OpenCV processes these images and a neural network decides which direction the car should go, left, right or straight. Essentially, the car sees and thinks like a tiny autonomous vehicle. Step 1. Mount your Raspberry Pi and a camera on the car chassis or chassis. Make sure the wheels, motors and motor driver are connected. Step 2. Collect some training data, drive the car manually for a few minutes and save images of the road along with steering commands. This teaches the neural network how to drive. Coming down to step 3. Train a simple neural network. You can use Python with Keras or TensorFlow. The input is the camera image and the output is steering angle, left, right or straight. The network learns by looking at the images and the commands you recorded. It's like showing a student how to drive before letting them take the wheel. Step 4. Load the trained network on the Raspberry Pi using OpenCV to continuously capture video frames from the camera, feed them to the network and send the predicted steering command to the motors. And just like that, the car drives itself. Let's make this more fun. Imagine you are the car. When the camera sees the road curving right, your tiny brain says turn right. When the road goes straight, you say full speed ahead. And if an obstacle appears, the system can stop the car or just adjust like a super careful driver. Of course, there are challenges. Lighting changes, shadows or shiny floors can confuse the camera. The neural network might sometimes make mistakes. That's why testing in a safe environment is very important before letting it drive freely. The beauty of this project is that it combines hardware, computer vision and AI in one small Raspberry Pi car. You learn OpenCV, neural networks, data collection and motor control all in single project. So that's how you build a self-driving car with OpenCV and Raspberry Pi using neural networks. Tiny car, big intelligence and a whole lot of learning. And if you like it, please hit the like button.